What if I said the magic word? Do you think I could wake you up a little if I said the magic word? Are you sleepy? I bet if I asked if you wanted to go for a walk, gets a little interest. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go potty? I bet if you wanted to go for a walk, you'd get really excited, wouldn't you? Went outside? Do you want to go outside? Are you so sleepy you can barely move? Did you miss Mark? Your ears came up. You little sleepy guy. Wanna go outside? Go for a ride in the car? Wanna go with? Huh? You that tired?